See MySQL 26.70 Windows 64 MSI file that's downloaded. Let's click on this MSI file. Now preparing to install. So application that's required to Visual Studio 2019 Redistributable. Okay. So for this one, let's finish. There I'm going to install this Visual Studio. Visual Studio. So let's use the community. This is free. And now this is currently downloading. The total size 5 MB. You need to click on this exe file. Click on yes button. Click on continue. This here Visual Studio Community 2026. Then I'm going to select here .NET. Then simply you need to click on this install. With this you can also get there already distributor 2019. So this here Visual Studio Community 2026 starting download and installing the package. Total size 2.37 GB. See this here Visual Studio Community that install. So thereafter, if you want, then you can launch this one. So thereafter, let's go and here clicking again MS SQL. Let's double click this MySQL 26.70. So this here preparing to install. So welcome to MySQL Server 26.7 setup wizard, and now click on next. Thereafter, let's check this accept. Click on next and click on this complete and click on install.